I come in, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Shruti,
Sir.
can you introduce yourself to the board members?
Sir, I have completed my graduation from Patna Women's College in physics stream. Sir, after that I have taught at a private school for 2 years. Then after I started preparing for civil services. And right now I'm here in front of you.
Okay. You are from Gaya.
No, sir, I'm from Patna district.
You are from
Patna.
Patna itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Her name is Shruti Raj.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between Shruti and Smriti? What is Shruti and what is Smriti?
Sir, Shruti is something which is heard. It is not in. It was initially not in written form. Smriti was a written form of things. Smriti is an ancient text which is in a written form.
Can you name some of the texts which is presented there, but they are mainly Shruti?
Shrutis are Vedas, sir, Bhagavad Gita. So these two I can remember now.
How many Vedas are there?
Sir, 4 Vedas.
There are all these 4 Vedas.
Sir, the Rig Vedas, Yajur Vedas, Athar Vedas and Samaveda.
Okay. So which Veda is related with art and Shiv, all those things?
Sir, Samaveda.
Shama Veda.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now you have graduated from physics.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of the name Large Hadron Collider?
Yes,
What
sir.
it is?
Sir, a Large Hadron Collider. A Large Hadron Collider is an experiment started by the government to find the God particle. They named it God particle to find the initiates how the universe get originated. Yes.
What is God particle?
Sir, God particle is the smallest particle till now, which can be the source to know how the universe get formed.
It is named after some physicist. He is a very physicist. Can you name?
Sorry, sir. No idea.
And where this Large Hadron Collider established?
Sir, I'm not sure, but I think it is in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. It's not a project of India.
Sorry, sir.
Many
Sorry,
countries
US.
of the world.
USA.
Many countries of the world participated in it. But
Sorry, sir, I'm not sure on it. I will go and see.
I have heard of the name place Kadarashe. Where it is?
Sorry, sir.
Kadarashe.
No, sir, I'm not aware of. Sorry.
Okay. So you have geography as an option.
Yes, sir.
So how geography will and the physics, these are the two subjects, how physics and geography will help you in administration?
Sir, geography is the study of places and the environment relation with people, how people is related with environment. So, in administration, we generally we should know how people are living, what is the living standard, what they should need to more innovation. And sir, physics will help me in understanding these facts. This will help me to have more insights on these things.
Okay. And you have geography as an option in BPSC.
Yes, sir.
What is the urban center?
Sir, urban shelter. Sorry, sir, I will not be able to explain it in proper form.
Okay. What is census town?
Sorry, sir.
Census town.
Census town, sir, it is a method in which the town is divided on population basis.
It's a method to divide town on population basis, census town.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the method and how many types of census towns are there?
Sir, there are 5 methods. Sir, I'm not able to recall the all those data, but it starts from 0 to 5,000. First scale is 0 to 5,000.
What does it mean 0 to 5,000?
Sir, 0 to 5,000 is the population scale.
Okay, suppose some place it has population 0. Can you call it a urban center or a town? If the range is 0 to 5,000
Yes, sir.
and an area having population 0, can we call it a town or a urban area?
No, sir. Sir, it starts from 0. 0 is the initial scale and goes up to.
5,000.
So I think it's 50,000. I'm getting confused. Sorry.
Okay. You are not sure about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is Western disturbances?
Sir, Western disturbances is a climatic condition which gets initiated over Mediterranean Sea, and it gets transferred over to eastern direction, and it travels in India through Punjab, and it enters to eastern UP, and then it flows through Bihar also.
Why Western disturbances are significant for the climate or for the weather condition of northern India?
So Western disturbances are important for wheat cultivation, sir, mainly. Wheat is a rabi crop which get cultivated in winter season, and Western disturbances bring significant amount of rainfall. So in that sense, it is important.
What is the Mediterranean type of climate?
Sir, Mediterranean type of climate usually seen in European countries where there is winter rainfall and citrus fruits are grown there.
Can you tell me the name of the country that's surrounding the Mediterranean Sea?
Yes, sir. This is Spain, Italy, Croatia. Sir, in Northern Africa it is Libya, Morocco. Sir, these are the countries I can remember.
Okay. What is zero tillage? I've heard of the term zero tillage.
Yes, sir. Sir, zero tillage is related to it is an agricultural term, sir. Sir, when there is no plugging and crop is cultivated in the field in its stable state,
When there
the
is
tillage, no plugging is there.
okay.
Like before sowing we do plugging usually, but in zero tillage case tilling is not done.
Tilling is not done.
Yes.
What are its benefits?
Sir, I think sir, it may help in retaining the moisture.
Retaining the moisture.
Yes.
Okay. Or also the erosion, protects from erosion.
Yes.
Suppose you are selected for the post of ST, and you are definitely you are a woman. So the woman of that area will very exalted because of your posting. So what will you do to instill a sense of security among the women of your area?
Sir, first of all, I will like to make them aware. I will help them make aware of their rights and rules.
Okay.
Secondly, I will, from my end, I will ensure for the installment of cameras in the areas. So I will also make patrolling with the use of police force, I will make patrolling usual in that area.
Okay. There is a book called Men Are From Mars and Women Are From Venus. Have you heard of that book?
No, sir. Sorry.
Okay. But the concept is that men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Uh, just to say that men and women are different in their thinking and their attitude. So, do you think that it's so?
Sir, I think to a little extent, due to our patriarchal society, this is significant in our society. But things are changing nowadays. Women are reaching to the moons. They are doing well in every sector.
Shruti,
Yes, sir.
can you relate physics and geography? Do you find any connection, any common between physics and geography?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think physical geography and physics are related to each other mainly. Sir, like in oceanography mainly, when we read about the waves, there is a crest, trough. We also read it in physics. So friction is a term usually very usual to physics, and we have it in geography also. So in astronomy, if we see about the planets, we should know how the or how the universe get formed. We need to read the Big Bang theory. These all are connected to physics also, sir.
Okay. What is a satellite? What is a satellite?
So there are two types of satellites: natural satellites and artificial satellites.
Before that, what is a satellite?
So satellite is something which depends on others for its existence. I think I'm not sure. Sorry.
Okay. And satellites can be natural and artificial, both.
Yes, sir.
So name some natural satellites.
So natural satellite is Moon,
Moon is a satellite of
Earth.
Earth.
Yes, sir.
And some artificial satellites.
Sir, GSAT.
GSAT.
Yes, sir.
Or
Sir, for now I am able to recalling this one only.
okay. Have you heard about Mom Mission of India?
Yes, sir.
What was that?
Sir, it was Mars Orbiter mission.
When it was undertaken?
Sir, in 2015.
Okay. And what was unique about this Mom Mission of India?
Sir, India was able to reach Mars in one track, sir. It attempted for the first time and it reached there in its first attempt. Yes, sir.
Anything more?
Sir, it was successful mission.
What was rank of India worldwide in such kind of missions? How many countries before India have done this?
Sir, one is US and others I am not able to recall.
Any Asian country before India?
Sir, I think it is India from Asian country.
India is the first.
Yes, sir.
And any country after India who have done this?
Sorry, sir, I have no idea.
Okay. This year's Nobel Prize for Physics was awarded for which kind of discovery?
Sir, Nobel Prize for Physics is given for black hole property studies. They got to know how black hole worked.
Okay. Okay. And any other established law of physics were verified by this awarding of Nobel to the discovery of black holes or black matters?
Sir, it is a gravitational wave theory. Sir, a gravitational wave theory is
Given by
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. Okay.
Yes.
What does it say?
It says sir, everything is moving with respect to each other. Everything is in motion relate. That we can say that nothing is in stable state. Likewise, universe is also moving with respect to a kind of thing which is known as ether. And whenever a very heavy object falls on it or put pressure on it, it creates a wave, which he termed as a gravitational wave.
Okay. And what is a black hole or a black matter?
Sir, the black hole is a astronomical condition in which whenever a star dies, it has a huge gravity, and that gravity is huge enough to not let light to move away from it.
Not let light come out of it.
Yes, sir.
So it can be termed as a black hole.
Black hole.
That's what you're trying to say. Okay. What is climate change?
Sir, climate change is a phenomenon which used to change the normal atmospheric conditions. It's like,
Change the normal atmospheric
Atmospheric.
conditions. And
Yes.
what is the driving force of climate change?
Sir, there are two. We can term it in two sections. One is anthropogenic, and second is the natural forces. Natural forces like sir, volcanic eruption, plates movement beneath the earth crust, and sir, anthropogenic sources like excessive use of carbon dioxide, exhausting materials, sir.
What is global warming?
Sir, global warming is a phenomenon in which Earth gets hotter than its usual temperature.
How it happens?
So it happens when greenhouse gases like methane, carbon dioxide gets excess in the atmosphere, which does not let the infrared rays of the sun to go out back to the atmosphere.
Okay. And as a result of which?
As a result of which it gets reflected back to the earth, and it leads to warming of the earth, and ultimately it melts the glaciers.
Now, which convention is related to the controlling of these greenhouse gases?
Sir, Paris Climate Action Plan, sir.
Paris Climate Action Plan is related to climate change.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about that convention or that conference or a protocol which is chiefly associated with regulating the greenhouse gases.
Sir, Montreal Protocol and Kyoto Protocols. These two are the protocols which mainly aims to limit the greenhouse gases emission.
Okay. They are both concerned with greenhouse gases, or is there any difference between Montreal and Kyoto?
Sir, I'm not able to differentiate, but
Okay.
for now I can remember this. Yes, sir.
Okay. And
okay, you are obviously geography. What are the benefits of zero tillage farming?
Sir, just like sir has said, it helps in soil retaining, it prevents erosion mainly, and also to retain the moisture of the soil.
What is erosion?
So erosion is a process in which the upper soil layer gets removed by the various means like wind, water, etc.
Can you name some landforms which are made due to action of erosion?
Sir, reels, gullies, valleys.
Okay. Okay, and in glacial landforms,
Sir, moraines.
moraines are depositional.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Corsica. Name some Mediterranean islands. Sea Mediterranean.
Mediterranean islands. So I'm not able to recall.
You have called Corsica is a country.
Croatia.
Corsica. You are Croatia. What are you telling? Croatia is in Aegean Sea. It's in Eastern Europe. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.